You want fuller lips? Easy. One full syringe, everyone gets that. Hold on, let me check your proportion first. Maybe you don't need full syringe. Half could be perfect. I can squeeze you in. Consultation? You already know what you want, right? Before anything, let me check your structure, your angles, your symmetry, and how your face moves. Bruising? Swelling? It's okay, you will be fine. Here is what to expect after treatment, what's normal and when to reach out. Staying safe matters. Want bigger look? I can add more right now. More isn't always better. Too much can look heavy. Let's keep everything balanced. Everyone asks for that Instagram lip look. Your lips should match your face, not trends. Natural result, look good long term. Follow for more safe wrinkle treatment tips that helps you look refreshed.